Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can always get the great pumpkin seed in Grow a Garden. Now, I know this plant is super rare to get and it didn't even notify me on the stock notifier for some reasons. I think it's just very hard to kind of like wire this, and it is super limited. I don't know if I'm going to get this, but if you want to get this, there's still a chance for it to still be restocked. I know it restocked a few hours ago. Basically, you're going to just want to be on this game. Get an auto clicker app. I use this one, and then for the minutes, just do like every 3 minutes, and then pick location, and you're going to select this for the location. Then you're going to press this, and then you're just going to press start and just leave it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Really, that's the only way to get it. I'm so sorry, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!